Hey my people, so today I was wondering what I should make for you. So at times we have so many things on our menu and you say which one is good for my viewers, but my kids helped me select what to make for you. So right now I'm preparing my marination for the chicken tenders. I'm making chicken tenders. You might call them chicken fingers, but I call them tenders because the way I make my fingers are quite different from these tenders, but some call them chicken fingers. So right now I'm making the marination for the chicken. Let me let you watch the video. So I'll be back at the point of coating our chicken with flour. So this is my marinated chicken. You can marinate it between 1 to 2 hours or overnight. So after marinating my chicken, I remove it from the fridge, let it sit for 30 minutes before I coat it in flour. So once I'm done coating my pieces of chicken in flour, I put them on another plate, but you should be putting them on a wire rack. It's best you put on a wire rack, but I don't have one at the moment, so I decided to put on a plate. And if you see your chicken starts to get sticky and what, go ahead and coat it again in flour before frying. So we're going to repeat the process after coating the first ones. As you see, I'm done. Get them off this plate, put them back into the egg mixture, and then coat them again in flour, and then you can fry immediately to get a nice crispy chicken tender. But if you don't want, you can stop at the first stage of coating. After from the egg and then flour, then you can fry immediately. Let's continue watching the video until the end. Our chicken tenders are ready. Let me just show you how they look like in the inside. This is how they look like. Very soft, juicy, and I'm sure you'll love them. Please give them a try and leave a comment in the comment box. So that's it from Mo's Kitchen. Until the next upload, that will be every after 2 weeks, but still on a Wednesday. We are almost there, getting to 1,000 subscribers. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share our videos. I love you, and that's it from Mo's Kitchen. Bye bye.